Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5070773. Because of this error, that is we could not complete the install because an update service was shutting down. So to fix it, the first step is to simply restart your computer. Restart your computer and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to pause and restart the update. Now for this you can go to Windows Update and then over here you can see pause option, hit pause, and once paused, now hit resume updates and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is start these services. Now for this, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Now find App Readiness, make a double click on App Readiness, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then make a right click on App Readiness and then click on restart. Now find Windows Update, scroll down here, you can see Windows Update, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click on Windows Update and then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, apply, start, and then make a right click and then click on restart. Now once done, now you can try to update your Windows 11. Still not working. The next step is to run this command. So type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator, click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this will run a scan and this process will take some time, and once the scan is 100%, the verification is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, and once the second scan is 100% complete, then run the third command, copy this command, paste it over here on the same window, and once the third scan is 100% complete, then restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this you can go to this link. The link is provided in the video description. It will take you to Microsoft Update Catalog website. Over here write down the name of the update, that is KB5070773, and then click on search over here. Now over here let me change the language over here. Now over here, first of all, you have to check the version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box and then click on WinVer run command. Over here you can see version 25H2. In my case it's 25H2, and then you can open Windows settings and then go to system, and then you can go to about option and then check the system type. System type in my case is 64-bit operating system. Now for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. This is the right one for me, and if you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Now click on download, and you can click on this screen, click on this update KB5070773, click on it and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file and you can install this update manually and then restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working. The next step is to fix problems using Windows Update. You can use this option. So go to Windows settings, Windows Update, advanced option, go to recovery option, and over here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, restart your computer and then when you go to update history, you will see the repair version of version 25H2 repair version. Once this is done, now you can try to install the update and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down here, you can see media creation tool, click on download now, and then you can run this exe file. When you run this exe file, you will see this screen. Then click on accept over here, click on, by default Windows 11 would be selected, click on next, select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, save, and then let the download complete. This process will take some time, and once the download is complete, click on finish. Once you hit finish, you will see this screen. Let this close automatically. It will take few seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once done, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, and then make a double click on setup file, run the setup file, click on yes to allow, and then click on next over here, and then click on accept. Here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully on a Windows computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.